Hey all, Mr. Thibodeau's coming at you with your practice set. Okay, so volume for A. Refer to the pyramid in example 2. Find the volume of the pyramid with dimensions 1/10 of the pyramid in volume 2. Now, its dimensions are 1/10, not the volume is 1/10. What fraction of the volume of the pyramid, the volume of the smaller pyramid is what fraction of the volume of the pyramid in example 2. So, here I have 90, 90, 50. Okay, so I'm going to divide each of those by 10 to give me 9, 9, 5. My length, my width, my height. Length and width, of course, together are my base. Okay, so 81, 5, and together that is 405, right? I know that because 80 times 5 is 40. Add the 0, do the extra 5. So 405. Now, this is not my answer, right? This would be my answer for a rectangular prism, okay? Not what I actually have, which is triangular prism. So I have to divide all of this by 3. 3 is going to go into 405 115 times. 115? 135 times. Okay? So my answer is 135 centimeters cubed. Now, why this one over here is 135,000 centimeters, and this is only 135 centimeters. So it's not 1/10 of the way smaller, but it's actually 1,000 times smaller. Well, why is that? Well, keep in mind, I didn't divide my volume by 10. I divided 9 by 10, 90 by 10, 90 by 10, and 50 by 10. So what I essentially did is for my whole thing, right, I divided it by 10 3 times. So essentially, I divided the final answer by 1,000. Okay. So that's really what you're doing there. I think you guys can figure out the percentage. We'll move on to B. I don't know why they want to make it hard by you giving you a square root of 3 here, but I guess they're going to. So for B, area of a hexagonal base of a pyramid is 18 square root 3. If you already have your base, then you multiply by 12. That's the pyramid, except the hexagonal height of the pyramid is 12. So they don't specifically tell you this, but it's still going to be divided by 3. Okay, even though it's a hexagonal instead of a square or a triangular pyramid. Okay, we still need to divide it by 3 or timesing it by 1/3. So all of this by 3. Now, you might want to know if you can divide first and then multiply, okay, to give yourself some easier, okay? So if you did that, you would have 18 divided by 3. That's 6 square root of 3 times 12 divided by 3, 4, okay? Which would give you 24 square root of 3, okay? That would be easy if that was the answer. Unfortunately, that's not actually how this works. You have to do the 18 times 12 first, okay? So 180 and 36, so 216 divided by 3 equals 72, okay? 72 square root of 3 . So that's your volume. Now from here, the diameter of the base of the cone is 20 inches. 1 second, I want to do one last thing first. Sorry. All right, so we have C. The diameter of the base of the cone is 20 inches. Okay, diameter is 20. So pi r squared, so that's 10. Okay. Pi r squared. What is the volume of the cone? Okay. Height is 21, so 10 times 10 is 100. So 100 times 21 times pi. 2100 pi. Okay. Is almost it. What do we got to do next? Divide all that by 3. Okay. Or not centimeters, inches. 700 pi inches. Then multiplying that by pi, give your answer. I'll let you guys do that. I don't think that's, I think you have plenty of energy for that. Using a 12-inch cube of clay, Lucian makes a 12-inch high pyramid with 12-inch square base. What is the volume of the pyramid? Does Lucian have enough clay from the original cube to make another pyramid of the same size as the first? Okay. So, I mean, we know he does, right? The pyramid should be a third of the size. He should be able to make 3 of them, right? That's just our formula, so you don't even really have to think about that question. But, okay, so 12 inches by 12 inches. It is a cube, so it's all 12, so it's 12 cubed, really. 12 times 12 times 12. Which we can break up. Right? Is that right? I think I'm getting myself confused. 12 times 12, 24 and 100. And then I have 124 times 12 again, 8, 4, 2, and then, so 248 plus 1, 240, 8, 8, 4, 1, 1488. Okay, from 1488, we have to divide that by 3. Three goes into 14 4 times. 8 comes down. 3 goes into 28. Let's see. 6, 7 times? 7 times? No, 7 is 21. 8 is 24. 9 is 27. So 9 times, sorry. 18. 3 goes into 18 6 times. Okay, so 496 is our answer. The book says something different, and then somebody else has something written in here. 12 times 12 times 12. What did I mess up? 496 seems right. Why is the book saying 276? That doesn't. All right, we'll just jump to the calculator. Maybe I messed up. 12 times 12 times 12. 1728. Okay. Must have done that wrong. Missed a 0 somewhere around there. Okay, so 1278 and then divided that by 3, 576. Yeah, 576 is the correct answer. So your book is wrong. It's just not wrong the way... That's funny. Well, yeah, 576 is the correct answer. 100% on that. 576 inches cubed. Okay. Any other things? Oh, there's E too. E says a party hat arrived in a cylindrical container in which it fit perfectly. The volume of the container is 99 inches cubed. What is the volume of the cone-shaped hat? Seems like a large hat. Oh, okay. I see what they're doing. So, it fit perfectly, but it's still 99 divided by 3 is what you're trying to do here. So 33 inches squared. Inches cubed. There you go. All right, and that's it. Have a good one, dudes. Peace.